Hello everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. So, have you ever experienced yourself with Microsoft Excel to copy this picture precisely? Because let's say we would like to copy two picture here. I will choose this monitor and let's say I would like to put the picture here. So if you are the beginner or just like me in the previous time, I will probably manually copy the picture and just try to free transform this every side for this picture, and actually it doesn't work at all. So how to do it? So in this video I will show you the trick, guys. So I will delete this picture first, then for this picture in or the monitor, I will insert the shape here and I will choose the rectangle and just put it randomly, and then you can adjust the size, and after that you can give it the right click and I will choose edit points. And this is like the free transform. If you are the user of the Adobe Photoshop, you can precisely drag the every side of this picture or this shape first, because this will be the base to copy the picture here. After you make sure that this blue rectangle already precise, and then you will going to the right click again and click size and position, and there you'll see the several options here. Then you can click this fill and line and click picture or texture fill and then insert. Let's say you don't see any picture here, or you can also change the picture. After you already click this picture or texture fill, then click insert, and after that it will bring you to another window and click the browse the search of the picture that saving your picture, and let's say I will choose this picture and insert. Then there you go, this picture can be copied precisely on this monitor. So I hope this video helpful and entertaining for you guys, and if you have any requests or is there any feedback for this video, please don't forget to put it on a comment down below. And if you find this video helpful and you would like to know and watch our another video tutorial, please don't forget to visit and subscribe this channel. I'll see you in another video and thank you for watching. Bye bye.